All right, now from here, let me give you a quick overview of the Hostinger dashboard. That way you can see exactly where your VPS settings are. So let's switch back over to Hostinger. And right here, we're inside of our Docker manager. If I click on manage right here, and then I scroll down, you'll be able to find your environment variables here. Click on this. This is where you'll find your admin username and password, and you can change out those values here as well. Then if I go to the left here and click on overview, you'll see all the information regarding your actual VPS right here. You'll be able to see your resources listed here, along with some other guides. Then on the left-hand side, you have your settings, your operating system and control panel, and then the most important tab right here, which is your backups and monitoring. Click into it right here. And here you can see your backup schedule. It's currently set to weekly. And then below this, you can create a snapshot. I would recommend doing this anytime you're about to make a major change to your VPS. That way, if something breaks, you can quickly restore back to a working version. Then on the left here, you also have your security and your DNS settings. And if you need help with any other problems, or you just can't find something within your dashboard, go to the top right and click on Ask AI. This is going to bring up the Cody AI. And it's honestly pretty helpful for answering basic questions. And it can also forward you to Hostinger customer support just in case something has gone wrong.